Josh fell asleep.
Guys,
Snoring.
guys, before I wake Jumbo Josh up, you better leave a like on this video. Good, you left a like. Now, let me wake him up. Wake up! Get up! You stole my spot!
Huh?
I didn't steal your spot, Noodles Ninja.
I was just gonna sleep here.
Well, that's my gaming spot.
I know this.
Stop! I need to play my game. I need to play my game.
So now he's snoring again.
Sus! It's...
So now he got a new computer.
And then he... Oh! He got me off of it. Okay, gladly he's got his own. Like, guys, do you like all the good and the bad man characters? Oh, me, Noodles Ninja. It's me, right, guys?
Here we go, something new. What is that right there on the table? Kind of looks like
I need to play my game.
a hat or something. Some kind of
Yeah.
torture hat.
Whatever, Noodles Ninja, but literally.
So now he...
Why do you always need to play games? It's not necessary. I'm so bored. I'm ready to arrest somebody. What? Why is she looking over the side? Why is he looking over the side? Why is she looking over the side? Why is he one-eyed looking over the side? Why is she looking at us? Why is he
So now
looking
he
down?
went to sleep.
What was that shadow? Was that Huggy Wuggy?
Why is she poked-eyed?
There's something going on with that.
Why is she looking over there?
He's sad.
Why is she looking over there? Why am I looking over there?
These are just fan-made, but this
I
is
want to
pretty
make
good.
Jumbo Josh.
Why is he
So we have a
pokey?
Spider-Man Bunzo now. And then this room right here. I don't really know
Like,
what that sign's supposed to
Guys,
say.
why
It's
is
almost
Jumbo
like it's
Josh so tired?
fuel or something like that. Maybe
Guys,
kind of
he
like
needs to stop
fuel
sleeping.
room where the
He literally needs to stop
See,
sleeping.
it's not funny yet.
It's really not funny, guys. Shut up, everybody.
shadow, dude. That's gotta be Huggy Wuggy. Either that or Kissy
I
Missy,
have
don't know.
enough
There
of
were a
you
couple of
guys.
other toys.
You
Like,
got
what is this?
all
This
you
looks like
do
a
is
little
so
pink puppy
annoying.
dog, maybe. Kind of looks like a wiener dog. And then we got like the destroyed boogie bots right here. Very
So first he's sleeping.
Is this when she's getting that
Bash!
out of her back?
Help!
Time 3.
Wait, I'm trying to sleep, so you guys can say, I'm trying to sleep. I'm trying to sleep.
Jumbo Josh, help! See, not right now.
Not right now.
Oh.
Loose.
Ah.
But I'm gonna try to help.
Emergency lockdown.
No.
So he's like, I'm trying
Gosh.
to sleep.
Were we in the playroom?
Open the door! It's Nibbler.
So he's just got, so Jumbo Josh got to act.
Oh no, Nibbler! Acted!
So he's,
This video is gonna be meeting with Nibbler.
no, this video is gonna be named Jumbo Josh snoring.
But see, clearly don't know what I'm doing here, guys? Let me know in the comments if you like Nibbler. Yeah. Rate me from 1 to 10. I think I'm a 10. Wait. You don't think I'm a 10? Oh. Go!
Discover the feeling of relief at your fingertips with Opsilora.
His hands are slipping.
Guys, that guy's snoring. I don't even know his name. Let me know in the comments if it's Jumbo Josh. I think that is that.
Yes. Say yes.
Yes? Okay, it's Jumbo Josh. I gotta remember.
This is so well made. You know,
Oh, Bash! Ah!
yeah,
Whoa!
stuff.
Ah!
Because he's like, why
Look at
is Jumbo Josh seem to be sleeping?
Oh!
That's supposed to be some kind of ticket
Whoa!
operating room. And what the heck is going on here? The Huggy Wuggies are carrying Mommy Longlegs.
Bash.
Maybe they're putting her back together. After
Bash,
the
bash, boom.
spider arm might have brought her down into some kind of new.
Please don't hurt me, Noodles Ninja. Bash, bash, bash. Bash, 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 bash. I'm an innocent Cyclops.
Into all the dolls.
No,
This is
you're
really funny, though. The way that they're
Kabash.
carrying her, dude. They're like, praise Mommy
You guys are all
This is one of the
annoying.
parts that is really
Bash.
well made. That is so cool.
Bash.
Oh my gosh.
So now
Bash.
Jumbo Josh waked it
That
up.
actually looks kind of real. So this
Bash.
is Daddy Longlegs?
Bash. Bash. Bash.
Oh.
Bash. Bash. Bash.
What?
You can kind of
Leave a like.
Daddy. Yeah, put him in the grinder.
More views.
He's got the same voice as Mommy Longlegs.
So now Jumbo Josh is reclined in his chair.
And Jumbo Josh, I'm still trying to kill him.
He reclined in
And it's
his
like the
chair.
same thing as Mommy Longlegs.
Bash.
They just
Bash.
replaced it with Daddy.
Bash. Let me tie
Oh
some.
my gosh.
Oh.
Bye, Daddy Longlegs.
Oh.
And if that's not enough, we got Baby Longlegs.
So now
Oh my gosh. So is this
So
gonna be
now
the same trailer
now
that just got the baby
Noodles
in?
Ninja tied Jumbo Josh up to his chair.
Let me tie Jumbo Josh's
Mommy
chair.
Longlegs. Where's Baby Longlegs.
Houston, what does it say?
Hey guys, Noodles Ninja here. I defeated the guide in the band crew, including Jumbo Josh. Nothing can stop Noodles Ninja. Nothing. And I mean nothing. Nothing can stop me. Nothing can stop Noodles Ninja. Noodles Ninja is clearly the best
So now SpongeBob's tied up.
in Garden Band. If you don't think Noodles Ninja is the best character in Garden Band, I will come to your house and gobble you up and tie you up and beat you up. I'm just joking, but just leave a like.
Yes.
Okay, good.
So now I'm gonna let them free.
You left a like.
Put him in the grinder.
Now I'm gonna let them free.
They're just showing Mars over and over.
So now, somebody act now
Daisy the flower.
unchained it. Who? Jumbo Josh. Now,
Daisy. Are we really gonna be that scared of a flower?
So now it's Noodles Ninja Unchained and SpongeBob.
But anyways,
So now she unchained Jumbo Josh.
bye guys.
No. Until it makes some mommy sound. When he's tying up Bunzo, when it's about to be some mommy.
The guys, but
He's turning off the power.
I don't know what to
A lot of
do.
these have to do with like getting mommy long legs put back
This
together,
video
you know,
is
so a lot of
remembered to
these,
be
like,
called
trailers are actually
Jumbo
pretty
Josh
good.
Snoring. Yeah, I think that's the best part. Yeah.
Oh my
Now
God,
take a
she's
picture.
going on a rampage.
Say bye guys.
What's that?
No, hold on.
What am I watching? The Mummy?
And it's
First
till
Huggy
it
Wuggy's tearing up
shows it again.
Bunzo,
Guys,
and
look
then
at.
like some mummy just pops out on the screen.
When
Oh
he
my
cuts, he
gosh.
pauses.
Yeah.
No, take a picture.